All right, prime time. This is a big one. This is the video to find the winner of the first thing we opened tonight, the Joe Montana Emmitt Smith Dual Science 16 by 20. Here are our two eligible players, Brad with the Niners, Todd with the Cowboys. So we'll check the time, June 5th at 9:52 p.m. We're going to go over to, we'll call it now the raffle and say live. And we have June 5th at 9:52 p.m. Again, our two entries, Brad and Todd. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Brad. Spot 2 is our winner. So, Brad, please get with me to collect your prize. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, June 5th, 9:53 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.